As part of this topic, let's download and install Hive on top of Hadoop. We will configure Hive components and then start and validate as part of subsequent topics in this section. You can go to this link. It will take you to a page where you have the mirrors. You can click on one of the mirrors. You will be going into this file browser. You should be able to click on the latest version of Hive. We'll be using 3.1.2. Now we can right click on this, then say copy link, then go to the terminal. Once you are in the terminal, you can say wget and paste the link here. It will take care of downloading the Hive on this machine. Once it is downloaded, we should be able to untar and unzip. Once it is untarred and unzipped, we should be able to complete the installation process by copying the folder after untarring and unzipping to our standard location, which is nothing but a /opt. Now the file is successfully downloaded. We should be able to untar and unzip by using tar command like this, tar xzf, then Hive, whatever is the file name. Let me actually say ls-ltr. Now I can say tar xzf. The file name is nothing but Apache Hive blah blah blah. It will take care of untarring and unzipping the file. You will be able to see a new folder called as Apache Hive 3.1.2-bin. Now you should be able to move this folder to /opt by saying sudo mv-f Apache Hive 3.1.2-bin /opt. It will take care of copying folder into that location. You can validate by saying ls-ltr /opt. Make sure that the folder is owned by the user using which we have logged in. In this case, both are same and hence we are good to go. Now we should be able to create a soft link to this so that we can manage the versions in future. The way you can create the soft link is like this. You can say sudo ln-s opt Apache Hive 3.1.2-bin, then /opt, then Hive. Hit enter. It will take care of creating the soft link for us. You can validate by saying ls-ltr /opt like this. You can see the soft link here. This is how you should be able to download and set up Hive as part of your single node cluster. As we are done with setting up Hive, now it is time for us to configure and start. Hive requires something called as Metastore. We will see how to set up Metastore DB. Then we will actually take care of configuring and starting Hive.